Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll be giving you a very quick guide on how you can create videos using VEO3 inside Google AI Studio. This is perfect for cinematic shots, ads, reels, and high-quality AI clips. So once you're on your aistudio.google.com, what you will have to do is click Playground, which is right here on your left sidebar. And once you're here, what you will have to do is click video and then you will click VEO 3 if it's available for you. But if you only have VEO 2, then that could work as well. But of course, VEO 3 is better. So once you're here, what you will have to do is you will basically just have to write your video prompt. So this is the prompt editor. You can describe your camera movement, whether it's tracking shot, dolly in, handheld, or something like that. So yeah, it really depends on you. And of course, your scene details as well, whether it's your location, your lighting, your weather, and then, of course, the subject action and the style, whether you want it cinematic, realistic, animation, or hyper real. And of course, the mood and color tone as well. So basically, you really just have to be super specific with what you want to see on your video so that Veo 3 would be able to generate that specific video for you. And yeah, you could just adjust your video settings on your right panel, which is right here. So you can set the duration to 4 to 10 seconds, but again, it really depends on you. And of course, the aspect ratio, whether you want it as landscape or portrait, totally depends on you. And for the resolution, if it's available for you, you can see options like standard, HD, or 4K if available. And yeah, once you're satisfied with everything, you will just have to click run, and then you will just have to wait for the rendering to complete. And of course, you can preview your clip inside the output panel. And once that's all done, you should see a download button somewhere right here, but it really depends on your layout. And yeah, that's how you can create videos using VEO3 inside Google AI Studio. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope to see you in the next one.